Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching for the first time, please hit the subscribe button to watch latest fashion. Also press the bell icon for future notifications so you can never miss my any upcoming videos. Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to attach heavy border lace to lehenga or ghagra. By this way you can attach heavy borders to kalidar frocks, skirts, anarkali suits, etc. There are so many ways to join the laces. Many of people will follow this. I don't think this is the right way to join the lace. This is a secret trick to apply the heavy lace to the lehenga without any plaits. You can join this without any faults which can professional will follow. There are so many ways to join the laces. Many of people will do this like this. They do plaits over there. But I don't think this is the correct way to join the. If it is, if the lace is mirror worked, so you cannot easily using this trick to join the lace over the border. The way which I follow I show you right now. This is which professionals will follow. On the top side of the lace, I will give a basting stitch using a needle and a thread. Ensure that you will give a basting stitch to the upside of the lace, not the bottom of the lace. You will give a stitch like this. It takes small gathers in this. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know it is time consuming, but if you want to give a professional look, you have to follow this way for a ready-made look. Now you can see I do basting stitch all over my lace. It looking just like this. Now I place the lace. Now I will join the lace to the curved bottom of the lehenga. Now you just simply stitch it there. I will stitch it here because I want to join two other laces there, the remaining part here. At the end, I will join the lace like that, fold like that and overlap over the lace. Now spread the gathers evenly to the lehenga. Ensure you will not have any faults. Spread it like this with the use of your hands. You can now see how neatly gathers will spread over it. I do stitch over there so it not shrinking, or without plates we can join our lace. Just do a simple stitch. Don't pull it. Don't pull it or run it. Friendly without pulling it. At last, I removed this basting stitch for my finishing, and I am going to attach the remaining laces here to complete my look. See how neatly the lace is assembled to the bottom. The final look is here. It looks really beautiful. You can see the finishings. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching. Love you all.